Hey everybody, I'm here today wearing this PVC jacket because I thought I would match the thing that I'm going to show you. Sorry if this jacket's kind of noisy. I feel like I haven't worn PVC for a while. It's quite a noisy thing to wear. Anyway, you may be aware of my clutch bag collaboration with Evelina Demoray, and the people who've ordered these are receiving them now, and it's just been awesome to see the photos of everyone receiving them and wearing them, and it's really cool. It's really a nice feeling to see, you know, this on other people. It's a very slick little bag. It's very cool. Most of them have been posted out now, almost all of them, if not already all of them. I know there are still some to arrive, so if you're one of the people still waiting, I guess you won't have to wait much longer. But obviously, like, shipping is a lot slower around the Christmas period, but not much longer to wait. Anyway, the point of this video is not just to talk about the clutch bag, it is to show you the new product we have brought out, and also I'll tell you a little bit about the other one that's on the way. This is really cool. This is really cool. I'm so excited to show it to you. I didn't want to make a video talking about it until I actually had one in my hands, so here it is. I am very proud to present to you the Black Friday by Evelina Demoray wallet. Look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so beautiful. I'm so proud. I knew I could trust her to come up with something really good. She's so clever. Really, if I were to imagine what the most aesthetically perfect wallet would look like, it would look like this. So I just wanted to bring your attention to the fact that this now exists. We'll have a bit of a look at it. First of all, it's completely vegan friendly materials, so no worries there. Also, I guess this is sort of a little bit of a slightly higher end product. You know, it's not expensive, but it's not cheap. It's sort of, you know, it's a little bit classy. It's very classy. It's very classy, and it's something that anyone should feel a little bit proud to pull out of their bag. So let's have a look at the details of this lush wallet. It's so black. It's like part of it sort of just like disappearing into the nothing. It is made of a faux matte leather with a bat wing detail on the front that is made of PVC, and I don't know if you can see, but it's actually raised, like it's a little bit padded, so it's like a 3D bat wing, and this part here is velvet. Yes! I really wanted these things to be made of my favorite materials, which is PVC and velvet. I've actually got velvet trousers on right now, you can't see. Velvet everything. Yes! That is the front, and on the back is a zip with a little crucifix shaped zip pull doodad. There we go, have a wee look, and that is red on the inside. So let's open it up. It's so cool. This is so cool. It really is just so cool. Okay, anyway. Oh, yes. The inside is lined with a blood red suede. I said that it was very important that it should be blood red, as that is the nicest shade of red, I think. I also think the blood red is a colour that suits everybody, every person, because everybody already has it inside their body. Anyway, it's also the most lush and appealing shade of red, I think. But oh, that's really nice. It's so soft. So soft, it's so fancy, gosh. As you can see, shiny black PVC, and right here, if you look very closely, I'm not sure how well you can see in this light, if my camera will cooperate. Can you see that? It's sort of like embossed black on black, but it says Black Friday by Evelina Demoray. So there's a slot for photo ID and plenty of space for all your loyalty cards and credit cards and tra-la-la. It looks quite practical actually. Like, I haven't taken it out into the world yet, obviously. This is the one I'll be using from now on. The clutch bag is really like, you know, it has a use, but it's very much a decorative thing, whereas the wallet and the thing that is coming next will be a lot more about practicality as well as style. So as you can see, plenty of space for all your cards and loyalty cards. If you're like me, you'll be carrying lots of them, you know, like Starbucks loyalty cards and things like that. Here is a pocket. Great big pocket, which is divided in the center by a zipper with also a little crucifix zipper pull on it, and I guess that would be for coins, I suppose. That would be like your place for putting coins. It's very gothic, isn't it? I think you can't deny that. I think this might be the gothest wallet I've ever seen. Like blood red suede and crucifixes and PVC and velvet and a bat wing. Like it's so uber goth. So yeah, heaps of space in these two pockets. Coin compartment, plenty of, well, another pocket there, plenty of places for cards and so forth, and a photo ID, and folds up and does it with a little dome. Really, really cool. I'm so proud. I'm so proud and honored to have this product designed to be like me as a wallet. basically. Like that's the deal with the clutch bag. Like it was going to be, if I were a bag, what would it look like? It turns out it would look like this. And if I were a wallet, it would look like this. So if you want to have a little piece of my soul in your handbag that you can use every day, then there you go. I'll link below to Evelina's website where you can get these from. As with the clutch bag, the thing is to reach 75 pre-orders before they can be like made and sent out to everybody. But over 50 of you have already pre-ordered one of these wallets, so hopefully that shouldn't take too long. And about once that number is reached, it should be something like 8 weeks before everybody gets them. So if you would like the really cool, sexy, stylish as fuck me wallet, the sooner you order it, the sooner you'll get it, basically. It's so cool, it's so nice. Oh, it's just perfect. I couldn't be happier with it. A couple of other things to mention. There is now a variant on the clutch bag. I haven't got one yet, it's on its way, but there's now a version of this bag, this clutch bag, without the spikes on top, because I know that not everyone's keen on those. And also, instead of suede here, it will be black velvet, the same as the wallet. And there's also the option of ordering it without the sigil of Lucifer if that is not your vibe. So just letting you know that there is now a version 2 of the clutch bag without the spikes, with velvet, and with the option of also no sigil. It is also worth mentioning that these two things, while they match, do not really work together, as in like the wallet will like not really fit inside the clutch bag because it's a clutch bag. It's quite narrow, you know, like it's for your essentials, but it wouldn't fit like a whole wallet in it. It will fit perfectly inside the next up and coming product. It hasn't been created yet, but it's coming, which is a full-sized shoulder bag. I'm so excited for this big bag. It also looks like it's going to be really cool. The idea of it is that it looks really cool, but it's also practical. Like it's supposed to, like I said, haven't got it yet, but it's very spacious on the inside. Yeah, like someone mentioned on Facebook, I think the other day, how swish it would be to pull like a Batwing wallet out of a matching Batwing bag. There is also a chance that we'll make a men's wallet as well. So far these things are like ladies things or whatever. Oh, I'd say this is sort of unisex. What do you think? But we have had the idea of making a more sort of masculine version, like a more masculine men's wallet. If enough of you gents are interested, then that's totally a thing that we can do. Don't know what it's going to look like yet, but I have enough confidence in Evelina's design skills to know that it will look suave as fuck. So yeah, do comment below if you would be keen on a men's wallet, or I also think that would make a really good gift for a guy you didn't know what to get, because it's something that's really cool, something that's really gothic, and also practical they could use every day. So yeah, just really wanted to give you an update on what's happening with the bags, and to announce to the world that there is now a lovely wallet. And it is lovely. It's very lovely. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to town tomorrow. I have to go to the city. I'll bring this with me. No, I'm going to put my stuff in it right now, so it's ready for when I take it on its maiden journey to the city tomorrow. Photo ID, bank card, credit card, health insurance card, driver's license. Everything fits like perfectly. Train card, have 1 coin. Actually got some cash. Oh my god. I guess that can go in the 3 pockets here. Ta-da! And how does it all fold up? Perfect. Perfect. Ah, that's so cool. Alright, tomorrow this wallet will be taking its maiden voyage into the world. It's very cool, it's very exciting to have this out there. And like I said, it's so cool to see you guys with the clutch bags. This is like a picture of class. This is like the most gothic wallet I've ever seen. It's awesome. And if you want one and you put in your order soon, it should be with you in time for festival season. Ah, yes. Just a very fucking stylish accessory. I love that it's like 3D. I don't know if you can really tell, but yes, 3D. So cool. If you have not already done so, and you totally should, please subscribe to my channel and become one of us, because we're cool and it's cool to be one of us. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching and joining me being excited over this new thing with my name on it. So yeah, as always, take care of yourselves, be nice to each other, stay spooky, and I'll see you next time. Bye!